All Pro High-End Roofing provides professional house roof installation in Media, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners protect and enhance their properties with durable roofing solutions. Our experienced roofing team installs high-quality roof systems using reliable materials and proven techniques designed for long-lasting performance. We carefully evaluate your home, discuss suitable roofing options, and complete each installation with precision and attention to detail. A properly installed roof can improve weather protection, energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall property value. Homeowners throughout Media, Pennsylvania can rely on All Pro High-End Roofing for dependable house roof installation services focused on quality craftsmanship, reliable results, and lasting protection for every home. Call us today, All Pro High-End Roofing, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a house roof installation near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro High-End Roofing. Can a new house roof improve energy efficiency? Yes, properly installed roofing can support energy efficiency through effective ventilation, insulation coordination, and suitable roofing materials. All Pro High-End Roofing, Media, Pennsylvania installs residential roofing systems designed to support comfortable indoor temperatures and reduce unnecessary energy loss, although actual savings depend on the home's overall condition and insulation. How long can a newly installed house roof last? Roof lifespan depends on material quality, installation, ventilation, weather exposure, and ongoing maintenance. Asphalt shingles commonly provide decades of service, while some premium materials can last considerably longer. What is your service office for house roof installation? Media, Pennsylvania? Our local house roof installation Media, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Pocopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your All Pro High-End Roofing located? We are located at 11 West Front Street, Media, Pennsylvania 19063. Our phone number is 484-759-9206. Visit our website, https://aproofer.com/mediapa.